Any questions, Guy? Are you okay? Okay, thank you very much. And now we have created two types of question, one for fill in the blank and one for fill in the blanks. Now let's move to another type of questions.
In this video,
Okay.
In this video, we are going to look at the multiple answer question in Blackboard. So we're going to begin by going to create question, and we're going to go down and choose multiple answer. And we're going to put our question in the question text box. And then we're going to decide whether we allow partial credit and whether the answers should be shown in random order. And we're going to start putting our answers in. And then we're going to go back and we are going to tell Blackboard which answers are correct. And then we're going to divide up partial credit. So if the student only selects one of the two correct answers, they will only get half of the credit. And then we can provide feedback for correct and incorrect answers. And we are going to click submit to take us back to the text canvas, or hit submit and create another to create another multiple answer question.
Okay, then let's practice now. I will start practicing adding another type of questions. We have two types here, very similar. One we call MCQ question, and the other is multiple answer question. Let's practice the MCQ first. Multiple choice. I have this question, flash drive plugs into, for example. Then I will add here another type of questions. Come back to the canvas and create question, and I have here multiple choice. And here I can give the text of the Control V, keep formatting, yeah. Okay, plugs into. As you can see, then we have these options for the MCQ question. You can give numbering for the answer. I prefer this type of numbering, ABC. Vertical order or horizontal, you have the option to orient your answers in vertical. I prefer vertical. And allow partial credit. No, for the MCQ, I will not. It's only one answer here. And show answer in random order. Yeah, I prefer to show my answers in random order. And usually by default, the number of answers are 4. You can change if you wish 5 or 3. You have the possibility to change the number of answers. Then the first answer is here, is serial port, parallel port, okay, and USB port. Let's see, serial port. Then USB port. Okay. Then parallel port. And network port. Okay. Then after putting all the 4 answers here, then I have to select the correct one, which is here, the radio button here. Then what is this USB here is the correct answer. Then a flash drive really plugs into a USB port. That's correct. Okay, this is the answer to which is the correct answer. Now I don't have any feedback for my students. Okay, I have finished. I click on submit. If I click on submit and create another here, yeah, I will create another type of the same type MCQ question. This is for example, which of the following is an example of an output device? Keep formatting. Okay, which of the following? Now we have to provide also the options the same, and I will randomize my answers. The first answer here is microphone. Control C, Control V. Then I have microphone here. Okay, answer 2 is laser printer. Then we have digital camera. And at the end here, trackball. And the correct answer, I have to put the correct answer, is laser printer, is only output device. This is the only output device here. Yeah, okay, now I have finished. I have put the correct answer. Okay, I have finished now, and I click on submit. Okay, then I have till now 3. Total of my questions are 4. Total point are 40 till now. Let's see our questions. Okay. Now, I want to add another type of questions is the multiple answer. Multiple answer is different here from MCQ. Okay. Now I can add another type of question. Multiple answer. Now I will put the answer here. The question is computer input devices are. Then the student should know he can have more one answer. More one answer. Computer are. Then now here I have answer numbering is ABC. Okay. Now, vertical, yes. Allow partial credit, yes. I have to allow partial credit since I have more than one answer. You have this option now, allow negative score for incorrect answer if you wish. It depends your policy, your exam policy, if you want to give negative score for incorrect answer, and show answer in normal and random order. Yeah, okay. Now number of answers are 4 by default. You can change also. Now I can put the first answer here is the keyboard. Then this is the keyboard, the first answer. And then the second answer is a printer. Okay. Third answer is scanner. And the fourth answer is screen. Okay, now what is the answer, the correct answer? What are the correct answer here? What are the input devices? Okay, I have keyboard, scanner, and sometimes the scanner screens are input. It depends if it's a touch screen or not. Maybe I will then here computer input devices are. Then the correct, I have to check the correct answer. Keyboard is an input device. Yes, it's a correct answer. And printer, no. Scanner, yes. Okay. Now, how I can, for example, let's see that screen is not touch screen and it's an output then. And let's assume that I want only two answers here, and I will give partial credit for each answer. In percentage, I would give 50% for this answer and 50% for this answer. Then for the correct answer, I have two answers here. Then 50-50 of the grade. Then if the student then take only one answer, and for example, it was the keyboard, he will get half the mark or half the grade. Then if he click on both, he will get the full grade. The total should be 100. Here we have 50 and here we have 50. You can update partial credit here if you wish automatically between. If you wish, I can click here update and it is done 50-50. Yeah, it's 50-50% for both the answers. Okay, I have another or computer hardware. Okay, computer hardware R, for example. I can now click on submit. Okay, now I have 5 questions in my final exam. Okay. We will take a break for 15 minutes, guys.